WCTV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. 24-hour temperature cast wants to start us a little warmer, but maybe prevent us from getting so hot this afternoon. I still think 90 or the low 90s is where a lot of us are headed, but we can generate a few more scattered showers, so maybe we don't stay as warm for as long, or maybe we don't get that hot this afternoon if we can cook up enough clouds and start those sea breeze type showers. Now, there are some ingredients across the southeast that should be able to help enhance some chances, something we haven't had for like the last 3 weeks. Boy, do we need some rain. I do think over the next few days our shower chances should increase. Doesn't mean it's going to rain everywhere all the time and everyone's going to get soaked. Not how this works. But pop-up afternoon scattered showers and even some nighttime ones, they seem to be more and more in the forecast. And once we start to generate some of those, they usually help to contribute to more and more over the next few days. So shower chances are going to be on the rise. It's 69 right now in Tallahassee. It's 70 in Thomasville. It's 73 in Valdosta. 69 or 70 is the normal morning temperature at this point in June, so that's about where we are. Mariana's at 72, Perry's at 73, a whole bunch of 72s for Live Oak and for Lafayette and for Cross City and for Madison. It's definitely a seasonable start out there, and it's going to feel a little bit more muggy than it has. Not a lot of wind to stir things up, so we're looking for that patchy fog, but so far so good. Visibility is all up near 10 miles. The southeast is muddled up a little bit more in this warm, humid air mass, and that's not going to change for several days. Boundary off to our north and west, it's going to fall apart before it gets here. That warmer and more humid air surges up the east coast, and we sit in this warm, humid, unstable air mass just looking for something to help shake some of those showers out of the clouds. I think that something will be the sea breeze, and once we start to get a few showers, those help to focus other showers in subsequent days. So once we get that machine going, and I think we start that a little bit today, a little bit more tomorrow, and a little bit more still over the weekend, we should start to find more showers. But notice, it's not everybody gets wet. It's not long-lasting, big-time soaking rains. We're talking 15 or 30-minute downpour and done type showers, then they move on to someplace else. So we're not expecting big rains, but at least something, and that will help to cool things down and give some of those thirsty lawns, gardens, and greens a little bit of the relief that they need. Winds on the Gulf today start out of the southeast, end up out of the southwest, but light, seas 2 feet or less. Not a bad day for the boaters at all. High tides will be next up just after 10 a.m. Most of us in the 60s and 70s this morning. We're going to have a little bit of patchy fog. We'll call it partly cloudy this afternoon, warm and muggy. Low 90s for daytime highs. Notice those rain chances up to about 30%. Tonight, more upper 60s and low 70s. And over the next few days, we inch the rain chances up a smidge. A little bit more tomorrow, a little bit more so on Saturday, and that's about where the shower chances should stay. That's normal for this time of year. We need them.